Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through something very simple, but very important. If you're trying to install an older application or game on your Windows 11 PC and it keeps asking for .NET Framework 3.5, don't worry. I've got you covered. Take a deep breath. Relax. This is going to be quick and easy. Now, .NET Framework 3.5 is required by many older programs to run properly. And the good thing is, when you install version 3.5, it automatically includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0 as well. So you're basically covering everything in one go. All right, let's get started. Go ahead and click on your Start menu. Once it opens, slowly type Turn Windows Features On or Off. You'll see it appear in the search results. Yes, that one right there. Click on it. A new window will open. This window contains a list of optional Windows features that you can enable or disable. Now look carefully at the very top of the list. You'll see .NET Framework 3.5, and in brackets, it will indicate that it includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Perfect. Now, make sure the checkbox next to .NET Framework 3.5 is ticked. If you expand it, ensure all the sub-options inside are also checked. If it's already checked, then that means it may already be installed on your system. But if it's not, go ahead and tick it. Once you've done that, click on OK. Windows will now begin searching for the required files. You might see a prompt asking you to download the files from Windows Update. That's completely normal. When that option appears, click on Let Windows Update download the files for you. This is actually the easiest method to install it. Now just give it a moment. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few seconds or a few minutes. Just allow it to complete. Once the download and installation are finished, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the changes have been completed successfully. Great. Now let's quickly confirm everything worked properly. Close the window, then go back again to turn Windows features on or off. Check if .NET Framework 3.5 is still ticked. If it is, then congratulations. It is officially installed and ready to go. You can now install and run older applications or games that require this framework without any issues. And that's it. Simple, clean, and done. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials right here on Zimist Coded. I'll see you in the next one.